So growth and stability have been at the core of the IMF mandate since its very beginning in 1944. Growth and stability are predicated on social cohesion, which in turn depends on social protection. Over the years, and since the very start of the Fiscal Affairs Department that I'm the director of, social protection has been at the center of the work of the IMF. This workshop is extremely important because for the IMF, we benefit from listening to a wide diversity of views, and that helps us to better inform policy options. This workshop brought together some of the best world experts on social protection, and it really documented the importance of thinking about social protection as a system, taking into account the spending and the financing side at the same time. Social protection today is very important. Think about the second half of the 20th century when social welfare systems were built in advanced economies. At this point in time, emerging market economies, low-income developing economies are starting to build their own social protection systems. We live in a world of accelerated technological progress and globalization, and there is an increased perception of social and economic insecurity. Social protection is key in this context to make sure that the dividends from progress are fairly shared. We need to be able to protect people in order to avoid protectionism.